All right, now we're going to try and figure out the area between two shapes. So unlike earlier we were combining shapes, right? We broke the shapes into rectangles to help us solve. So we were adding the area together. This time we are looking for just the shaded area, all right? So that means we're going to look for the area of the large shape and the small shape, but we need to subtract. This time we do not add, okay? So I have two figures here. I have 19 times 15, all right? For the first, that's my area for the first one. All right. 19 times 15 equals 285. Sorry. My equal sign looks really bad. Okay. And then for the smaller area here, I have 10 times 9. And that equals 90. All right. So remember what I said. I said we need to subtract this time, right? We don't want this small shape in this big shape. We only want the shaded area. We don't want this small shape area. So we're going to subtract. All right. So 285 minus 90. And that equals 195. If I go all the way down here, I can see that the answer is correct, 195. Let's go and try a problem now. Okay, so erase this. My first figure, all right, the large rectangle is 15 by 15. So I will do 15 times 15. Which is 225. Next, I have the smaller shape here, okay. Oh, maybe I should name them. Maybe that's easier. All right, so I have 1. 1 is the big one. 2 is the small one, right? So now let's solve for 2. 2, we have 8 times 8, and that is 64. Now, I don't want this small part, all right, inside of this big square. So I'm going to do 225 minus 64. All right, and if I subtract them, I should get an answer of 161. So let's punch it in. And we got it. All right, now we have to do the area of a circle. All right. Do we remember the area of a circle? All right, well, I can help you guys out with that. The area of a circle. I'll just erase this. I don't understand why it erases like some of it and then not the whole thing. The area of a circle is pi r squared. Okay. So again, we're going to break it into two shapes. We have the first big shape, and then the second, the small shape. All right. Now, if you look here, it's telling me that part of the radius of the big shape is 11 kilometers. Now we're still missing this part right here, right? And well, good thing they already gave it to me, which is up here. So all I have to do is just add for that whole thing, okay? So what I would do is 11 plus 6, which is 17. All right. So I would do 3.14. That's what they told us to do. They told us to use 3.14 times the radius, which is 17 squared. Now we want to square the 17 only, not the 3.14. So for this,